So for session number 4, what we're going to do is we're out here in the field and we have a drop that's gone bad to a house, just a couple houses up the road here. We're going to hook up our cable, we're going to do a setup, and we're going to show you how to hook up the transmitter and get ready for your locate so that you can do the locate. In this case, the drop is already disconnected, so we shouldn't have any issue there. They're on a temporary line, so we can work on the customer without worried about them having no service. So when you get started, obviously we'll have disconnected your line. We're going to do a direct connect. So first off, we're going to take our lead, and we're going to take our red lead, and it's going to get connected to the drop. Now our drop is ready to go, so we know we're connected there. We take the other side, and we're going to hook our cable in here to the transmitter as we did before for our setup. So as before, we have a little arrow here that we can use to line up our cable. We open up the flap, it goes in line with the arrow there, and we plug it in, and we're ready to go. So then we have our black lead, which is going to be for our ground. So we're going to take our ground stake, and we're going to go at a 90-degree angle. So our line is going out down the road that way from towards the house. So we want to go at a 90-degree angle from where our cable is generally going to be done. That will help with our locate. Take our ground stake, push it into the ground, and we take our ground lead and we run it over to our ground stake. Hook that up, and I'll just move the transmitter back over. We have enough lengths there. All right, so now we have our cable hooked up, and basically we're going to turn our transmitter on. And we want to ensure we're going to be using 33 kilohertz, so we make sure 33 is on. And we also have our power on. So when we look at the far right hand corner here, we have 20 milliamps and 8.4 volts. This is going to tell us that we have a good locate or a good connection to make our locate. I'm going to disconnect the drop for a minute, and you will see that drop off. And as you notice, now we have a very low milliamps but a very high voltage. So as you're hooking up your locator, this is the way to tell how good of a connection you have on your drop. So the higher the milliamps and the lower the voltage, the better your connection. So I'm going to hook the drop back up again. And as you notice, our voltage has dropped right down and our amperage has come way back up. So this is how, again, we know that we have a good connection on our drop. You can see the bar graph on the left-hand side here. So we are at about 20% power. When we turn our transmitter on, that ensures that we're on. And if I hit the down arrow button, you'll notice the bar comes down and our milliamps start to drop. And if I go all the way down, it shuts the transmitter right off. So we're just going to turn it up. And if I go all the way up, that's full power. And we've got 40 milliamps, 60, 71 as it keeps climbing. So in the case of this transmitter here, we've got lots of power coming out of it. And again, for the short length of our drop here, we shouldn't have any issues. As you notice, my battery's starting to get low, so before we actually do our locating, I'm going to change out our batteries, and we should be good to go on our locate.